first year that we've had the Bandoleros here at South Sound Speedway. There's a little program that runs over at the Wenatchee Valley Super Oval as well. They also have a Bandolero program. So getting these young kids into racing early, and hopefully what we are looking at right now is going to be the future. The green flag is out. We are underway. You'll know single file restarts for the Bandoleros. Ryan Presley, your early leader, heading off into turns 3 and 4. Field remains single file just as they started. And we are going yellows. We got one down in the grass on the back stretch, and that's bringing out the yellow for us. One lap complete. Rylan Presley leading the way, and then it's John. And the green flag is back out. They're working lap number 2. Rylan Presley coming off turn number 4 has opened up a pretty good lead right now on Sweeney. Field's going to see the white flag as they come across the line. Final set of corners. Your winner, Rylan Presley, followed by Jonathan Sweeney, and then Matthew Anders. Rylan Presley, ladies and gentlemen. Rylan, say hello to all these folks. Hey, buddy, is this your first trophy?
Yes.
It is. So you've joined. Your family has won all kinds of trophies. Your father and your uncle, and now you get to take one home and put it on the trophy shelf as well. How's that feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. All right. Excellent. Hey, who do you need to thank? Who got you here, Rylan?
Sean Jones, my dad, my entire family, and yeah.
You know, you talk more than your uncle. Congratulations. In the 91 out of Yakima, Washington, sponsored by James King. Hot Tea Espresso, Roosters Mobile Blasting, and Jim and Mela is Cody Ballard. The 21 out of Wenatchee, sponsored by J&J Painting, Zero Handicap Golf Carts, Spitty's Pancake House, Sue and Kelly Cowlishaw, Dick Seating and Air Conditioning, Angel Bail Bonds, ML Motorsports, Monty English, G-Ma and Papa Flanders, and Anna and Papa Matthew. In the 18S out of Winlock, sponsored by Homes with Tyson Realty 1, Kiefer Construction, and Marker Landscape Development is Jonathan Sweeney. Whoa, we got one going around up front. That's going to be the 55 of T.J. Schlund. And that brings out the yellow. So having not completed that first lap, we'll line them back up as they were on the original start and take another shot. this one up front, but here comes Rylan Presley. Presley right on that rear bumper of Schlund as they come around and off turn number 4. Your leader after one is TJ Schlund. And Schlund goes around as they came off turn number 2. Tough start to the night for TJ, but he'll get it together. Under caution, and that's why he's getting that spot back. The green flag is back out. We're working lap number 2. A lap in race. Rylan Presley leading the field in the turns 3 and 4. As they come out of 4. Jonathan Sweeney running second. Now we got a 2-car breakaway. Rylan Presley and Sweeney have separated themselves from the pack. We got a side-by-side battle for third. Matthew Anders trying to hold off Cody Ballard and be on that third spot. Ballard on the inside, Anders on the outside as they make their way down the backstretch. The leader coming out of turn number 4, coming across the line. We're halfway in this 8-lap heat race. And Cody Ballard has gotten that third spot from Matthew Anders. Rylan Presley putting a little bit of real estate in between himself and Sweeney. Oh, TJ Schlund was trying to get by Matthew Anders there, but got sideways coming out of turn number 2 and ended up down in the grass. And so I think they're going to ask TJ to head into the pits, and this is where he'll get some coaching. Green flag is out. We're back underway, working lap number 6. Sweeney working hard, trying to get up there to Presley as they come across the line. 2 laps to go. The white flag is out on Presley, with Sweeney is right there, ready to strike. With a little ball length of Rylan as they're making their way down the backstretch. Into the final set of corners. Going around goes Presley. In turn number 4, Sweeney comes by and takes the checkered flag. And coming home second is Cody Ballard. Rylan Presley now pointing in the right direction. Still a good start to the night for Rylan Presley. Trophy dash win, and then the 3rd place finish here in his heat race. Green flag is out. We are underway. Heat race number 2 for the quality quick lube and tune Bandoleros. Into the night as the points leader. They Come across the line to complete lap number 1. They remain just as they started. Now Boyle starting to stretch that lead. Boyle has been strong all year. He went down to Wenatchee, and he ran down in Wenatchee. And he was strong down in Wenatchee as well. Alexander Boyle making a name for himself at a very young age. His father, John, is a late model driver. Been around for a while. He's a very veteran driver. And we got one around. That brings out the yellow. That's Hemi Franks. Hemi Franks now down in the grass. So the yellow is out. Green flag is out. Alexander Boyle, your leader, Tyson Ben making a quick move, trying to get their second spot away. Oh, we got contact. As we are coming through 1 and 2, Tyson Ben is going to fall back to 4th after making a challenge for 2nd. Alexander Boyle now stretching out that lead. Bishop Brothers running 2nd. As they come across the line, we're now halfway in this 8-lap heat race. Bishop Brothers making a charge. Here we go, coming off turn number 4. Side by side coming across the line. Bishop Brothers is your new leader. He chased down Alexander Boyle. Boyle only half a car length back of Brothers now as they're heading into 3 and 4. Coming out of 4. 2 laps remain. Bishop Brothers by about 2 or 3 car lengths now over Boyle. White flag is out. Final lap. Boyle working hard trying to get up there to Bishop. Into the final set of corners. Out of turn number 4, coming across the line, your winner, Bishop Brothers. What a charge Brothers made there to close on Alexander Boyle and then get by.